So very good morning, one and all. This is Qadhan Shahidi, and on behalf of everyone present in this call, in the Empowering Morning Conversation, I would like to welcome today for a very special session of Empowering Morning Conversations. And you all know why today is so special. Anyone who doesn't know, everyone knows. So let's start with a big round of applause to our mentor, our friend, our coach, whatever name you would like to give. Please give a big round of applause to Sukhdeepak Malwai, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm sure more people will be joining us, but we will start today's Empowering Morning Conversations in a different way. And we have requested sir to allow us some time in the beginning of the session so that we can express our love, affection, and gratitude, everyone present in this room. And I would like to thank you, first of all, Mr. Rama Zen, on behalf of all of us, has contributed a very small thing to Sukhdeepak sir, which thankfully he liked it. So give a big round of applause to Mr. Rama Zen for a great gesture. And thanks to Vetriji for all the mastermind planning and all such things. So please give a big round of applause to Vetri as well. And thanks to everyone who had sent some special gift, which I'm going to share on the screen, which I will keep it secret to Sukhdeepak Malwai sir, so that let's keep some suspense also for him. And for that, we'll have to wait for some more time. But since the time is there and we have to start today's session, and we have a special guest. Now she is no more guest because she has become very frequent to our Empowering Morning Conversation. And you all know she is someone who works in television industry, works in film industry, multifaceted, multi-talented, and we are proud to have this member in Empowering Morning Conversation with us every morning. And I would like to request on behalf of all of us to Mansi Kulkarni to present Guru Vandana for Sukhdeepak sir. Please give a big round of applause to Mansi Kulkarni. Mansi Kulkarni, over to you, please.
Thank you so much for such a beautiful welcome. I would like to wish Sukhdeepak sir a very happy birthday. And I'm going to sing the Guru Ashtak today for you all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. संसार दावा नललित लोका प्राणाय कारुण्य घन घनात्वं संसार दावा नललित लोका प्राणाय कारुण्य घन घनात्वं प्राप्तस्य कल्याण गुणार्भस्य वंदे गुरु श्री चरणरविंद वंदे गुरु श्री चरणरविंद महाप्रभु कीर्तनन्त्य गीत आदित्य माध्यम मनसुरसेन महाप्रभु कीर्तन नृत्य गीत आदित्य माध्यम मनसुरसेन रोमांचकम्बा श्रुतरंग भाजो वंदे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद रोमांचकम्बा श्रुतरंग भाजो वंदे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद वंदे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद वंदे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद वंदे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वंदे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। श्री विग्रहाराधन नित्य नाना, श्रृंगार तन मन दिर मार्जना दो। श्री विग्रहाराधन नित्य नाना, श्रृंगार तन मन दिर मार्जना दो। युक्तस्य भक्तां स्नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। युक्तश्च भक्तां स्नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। चतुर्विधा श्री भगवत प्रसादो स्वाधानन्द स्वाधानन्य तृप्तिं हरिभक्त संग कृतैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैव। वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। श्री राधिका माधवयोर पार, माधुर्य लीला गुण रूप नामना। श्री राधिका माधवयोर पार, माधुर्य लीला गुण रूप नामना। प्रतिक्षणा स्वाधनलोलुपस्य वंजे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। निकुंजयूनो रतिकेले सिद्धि, यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीया। नियुञ्जयूनो रतिकेले सिद्धि, यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीया। तत्रातितक्षादतिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। साक्षात् धरित्वेन समस्त शास्त्रे, युक्तस्तथा भाव्यत एव सिद्धि। किन्तु प्रभोर्यो प्रिया एव तस्य, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। यस्य प्रसादात् भगवत् प्रसादो, यस्य प्रसादात् न गति कुतोऽपि। यस्य प्रसादात् भगवत् प्रसादो, यस्य प्रसादात् न गति कुतोऽपि। ध्यायन्तु वांस्तस्य यशस्वी सन्ध्या, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। ध्यायन्तु वांस्तस्य यशस्वी सन्ध्या, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। संसार दावानलनिठलोक त्राणाय कारुण्य घन घनात्वं, प्राप्तस्य कल्याण गुणार्भस्य। वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद, वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण रविंद। Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please give a big round of applause to Mansi for wonderful, beautiful, extraordinary way she expressed her gratitude on behalf of all of us to our coach, our friend, our mentor. And just a quick translation of one sentence of this, what Mansi just recited is that, "O spiritual master, ocean of mercy and friend of the fallen souls, you are the teacher of everyone and the life of all people, especially present in this empowering morning conversations every day." So thank you so much, Mansi, for a wonderful voice, wonderful
Thank you.
expression, and the way you conveyed our message, our expressions, whatever we wanted to convey to is Sukhdeepak sir today in this beautiful day on his birthday. So thank you so much. May God
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much.
May you get all the
Yesterday,
success.
actually, I had fever. Today also, I'm having fever, but I decided that I'll not keep this from bothering me, and I will still sing this.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm having some cough and fever and all, but I wanted to sing this, and so I did everything. I fought with it, and I sang this. So thank you so much that you were able
Thank you,
to
thank you,
hear
thank you,
this
thank
and
you.
like this.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Very good. And you are looking also wonderful, excited today. So thank you so much. Now, friends, as you all know that today we are celebrating Sukhdeepak Malwai sir's birthday in Empowering Morning Conversations, which we have every day, every morning at 7:30 a.m. But today is something very, very special. And we have decided to have this session bit special. And the next part of today's special session is that I'm going to invite one of us, very lovely to all of you, very close to my heart and very close to Sukhdeepak sir. And I'll request this gentleman to express his love, feelings, affection for Sukhdeepak sir quickly, and we will take this session forward. So I'll request, please give a big round of applause to Mr. Rama Zen. Over to you, Mr. Rama.
Thank you, Gunayan, and thank you, Manasi. First of all, congratulations to each and every one of us here, the fellow students or disciple, as I call. When the students are ready, the guru appears. So we were all very much ready. That's why Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai appeared in our lives. Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai, as all of us know, is a ruthlessly compassionate friend for all of us to really offer the best in life, to bring ease, joy, and glory in our lives. One of the best human beings I ever met. And particularly within last 2 years, definitely he is the topmost. I'm fortunate to know Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai and learn from him a lot, and particularly at this stage of life. It has been a great blessing for me to be with him and to be with all of you. So he is turning 70, and I wish
69 today.
69, and I wish him that he lives forever and definitely beyond 100 to help everybody, where in the modern world we are all been suffering, even though there are so many facilities, so many comfort, but still we are not able to handle our mind, emotions, and other things. And we need really a person like Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai to make the life much more simple and better and enjoyable to live in the world, which he is easily and compassionately, without any expectation, he is doing it for all of us. And wish you very, very, very happy birthday, sir. And thank you for being with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ramazan. Thank you so much. I remember when I had met Rama sir first, and when we were talking about Sukhdeepak sir, then Rama sir said that when I met Mr. Sukhdeepak for the first time, I got hooked. And that had happened, I believe, in the one of the conversation. And not only Ramazan, there are many people got hooked, and one gentleman, he hooked Sukhdeepak sir for all of us. And on the lighter note, he is the hooker. And I would like to request, you all know that with great respect, my guru, my friend, and please give a big round of applause and welcome Vetri Singumam. Over to you, Vetriji.
Thank you, Gunesh. Your energy is amazing today and wonderful. Thank you very much for everything. And this is so special day. But I wonder how come it has become so special day for more than 40 people. And everybody is, when they are waking up, they feel that it is their birthday. That is your achievement, sir. And I see many people didn't sleep also properly. That is the excitement we all have. I don't know how much we are expressing it. Just to start and tell a word, we said we have been talking for a year. One thing which I have been keeping it without telling it, though people speak guru, mentor, coach, this, that, power, force, whatever be the stuff. For me, it's a kind of a personal connect, which is, I feel like an answer to my prayer from the universe. I take a 30 seconds to tell my story. I am from a very lower middle class family where my father is a nice guy, but he is not an earning capacity person, uneducated. My both parents are uneducated. My brother only took initiative to bring me up and gave me education, everything. But it is my inner feeling that I should have a father who knows everything and with full love, everything. Kind of, it's you know, you can have that desire. Then it is, life was making me to become mature, and one point of time, it was just handing over that desire in a different form. Now I'm completely free. I'm completely happy. Even good happens, bad happens. Certain things I didn't tell my wife, honestly, but I rushed to call you and tell you that is a leverage you have given me. I feel so cherish this. And in Tamil, one song it says this way. எந்தன் வாழ்வில் வந்ததொரு நல்ல திருப்பம் உந்தன் கையை பற்றி கொண்டே செல்ல விருப்பம். Translation goes this way: you are a big good turn in my life. I want to go rest of my life holding your hand. That is the expression, sir. I wish you long life. I pray to my Guruji. I pray to God that you should give everything. You should get everything, and you should keep doing this for lots and lots of people. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vetriji. Thank you so much. And the next part of today's session is something exciting. So please hold your breath. We are going to present something, and I would like to thank you all for contributing. And we'll come back to you, Suresh Garuji, for a moment. Please hold your excitement. And today's birthday, remind all of us to tell you, sir, Deepak sir, that we all are thankful for you for every day, every empowering morning conversation. You are a joy, you are a delight, you are a pleasure, a blessing in every way. And here is our birthday wishes for you. Happiness your whole life through. And let me allow to share my screen and present something which are very exciting.
This has to be shown.
And here you go. I hope you can see the screen. Can you see, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Wish you healthy, happy, and satisfying years ahead. Please accept a rose, a friendship rose from me and all my friends. Sir, EMC has helped me to move forward in many decisions which have been pending many years without a scratch. Thank you, sir. It has been my pleasure to be part of EMC. Thank you.
Good morning, Deepak ji. Wish you a very happy, healthy, and harmonious birthday. May the universe be with you. Thank you very much for introducing me to myself. It has really made a lot of difference to me. God bless you.
Yes, Deepak ji. Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. You are a great person because you make every person feel great. Have a wonderful day and a brilliant life. I have learned 3 important lessons from you. First, to inhale the positive future and exhale negative past. Second, the power of now. And the third is to change from fear to faith.
Good morning, Deepak. Happy birthday to you and many more to come. one thing I've learned from you is how to ask questions to the universe that it is obliged to give it to us. The question has to be phrased in such a way that the universe is happy to give it to us, and we have to be consistent and persistent like a child. Thank you. See you again. Bye.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. I'm so blessed to have you in my life. Where I was, where I am today, it's all because of you. I didn't have words to express my gratitude to you. Have a great birthday, sir. Thanks a lot.
Hi Sukdeepak, many happy returns of the day. Have a fantastic day and a brilliant year ahead with successes and good health. I have known you for a long time and I'm fortunate to have you as a friend, a guide and mentor. Also with early morning conversations, which I happened to join in August, I have learned to be grateful for whatever I have. Thank you.
Sir, namaskar. Wishing you a very special birthday. I joined a limited number of EMC, but the EMC sessions had changed my life. Thank you, sir.
ഇനിയ പിറന്നാൾ many more happy returns of the day, sir. May all of life comes to you with ease, joy, and glory. Many more happy returns of the day, Mr. Sukdeepak Malwai. Thank you.
Good morning and have a wonderful, healthy and happy birthday, sir. And I thank you so much for all that you have done for all of us. And I am in the process of practicing majority of things that I learned from EMC, from you, like not to judge anyone, be in the creative mode, be in the question, be vulnerable to improve relationships, and always be aware. And now I can express myself without any hesitation, and consequently I feel happy. So thank you, sir, and once again a very, very happy birthday and enjoy the day. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sir. Happy birthday to you. You have been that guiding angel, elevating us from becoming good to great and get what we want. The tools and techniques that you have taught us helped me in lessening my reaction or not reacting to every situation and stay focused towards my goals. Here's wishing you a wonderful year ahead with good health, happiness and cheers.
Dear sir, very good morning and happy birthday to you. First of all, I would like to acknowledge and tell you that I have been very lucky to have you in my life for the past 1 year or so, and because of your continuous guidance, I have benefited a lot. To name a couple or the most critical ones, I was able to rekindle some of the relationships which I lost, and also in the process I gained some self-esteem. And I take this opportunity to wish you very wonderful and great year ahead, sir. Thank you again.
I consider myself fortunate to be able to learn from you and your experiences. Your advice has helped me to make it beyond what I imagined myself capable of achieving. You actually helped me identifying my weaknesses and turning them into my strengths. I will always be grateful for your valuable input and the kind of investment that you have done in my life. Thank you very much. I wish you wonderful years ahead. Happy birthday.
happy birthday. And please, friends, may I request you all, please, wherever you are, and give a big round of applause to Mr. Sukdeepak Malwai.
Whoa.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
So,
Thank you.
these were only few recorded videos. There were some more which we could not compile. So we would like to thank you, everyone whosoever had sent this powerful message, beautiful, lovely messages to our Sukdeepak Malwai sir. So we are grateful for that. And since Mr. Kuldeepak Malwai, since Kuldeep Chaturvedi sir is there to share some of the side, but before that, let me share something that तमाम उम्र तुझे जिंदगी का प्यार मिले, तमाम उम्र तुझे जिंदगी का प्यार मिले, खुदा करे के खुशी आपको बार बार मिले, खुदा करे के खुशी आपको बार बार मिले. So thank you so much, sir, and over to you, Kuldeep Chaturvedi sir.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, friends. Sir, wish you very, very happy birthday. May it bring all health, wealth, and prosperity to you. And before I say anything, two important people of Indian history, of this world.
You are please
Unmute. Kuldeep sir, unmute.
Yeah, now you are unmuted.
So I am saying key two important personalities. They also share their birthday with you incidentally. One is Sarojini Naidu. Another one is famous Shair Faiz Ahmad Faiz.
Oh.
They both share their birthday. You don't share, they share their birthday with you. And what I must say, that EMC has brought change in all aspects of my life. I am better everywhere. वो कहते हैं ना कि बात निकलती है तो दूर तक जाती है, वही हाल सुखदीप का है. और एक और है कि हैं तो दुनिया में शकुनवर बहुत अच्छे, लेकिन सुखदीप सर का है अंदाजे बयां कुछ और. तो वो एक अंदाजे बयां जो है एक ही बात में लाइफ के टोटल एस्पेक्ट्स, डीपेस्ट एस्पेक्ट्स आर सेड in such a clear and simple manner that they go deep into our heart. और मैं आपसे सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि सूरज की हर किरण रोशनी दे आपको, सूरज की हर किरण रोशनी दे आपको, फूलों की हर कली खुशबू दे आपको, और हम तो कुछ देने के काबिल नहीं, लेकिन देने वाला हर खुशी दे आपको. Once again, happy birthday and wish you many, many more.
बहुत खूब, थैंक यू कुलदीप सर. एंड इसके साथ तुम सलामत रहो 1000 बरस, हर बरस के हों दिन 50,000. So with that, Pooja has written beautiful message. May I request Pooja to read it out with your beautiful voice. Pooja Karan, please give a big round of applause to Pooja. Where are you?
Hi everyone. Happy birthday, Sukdeepak sir. And you are like an angel in our life. So whatever the love and happiness and contribution you are sending to us, I wish that come back to you many folds, and may divine bless you with good health, happiness, love, peace, prosperity, and all the joy your heart can hold. May divine grace and guidance always surround you, and all your dreams comes true. So a lot of love, lot of joy, and everything best in your life, and have a miraculous year ahead. Thanks for being here on this planet to make it beautiful.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pooja. And now the next part of today's special session of Empowering Morning Conversation is something exciting, which I would like to hand over to Vetri. And please, Vetri, guide us to take to the next part of the session.
Amazing, Konenji. When you say exciting, people may expect I'm going to dance. Nothing. That too on this special day, I will never. Don't worry. Now I request everyone to, wherever you are, just stand up and let us all go into sing birthday song to our little birthday baby Sukti Bakmalwai. Just get up, stand. And Manasi, are you there? Manasi? Everybody can unmute, and we are going to sing the 4 lines birthday song. I want Manasi to lead. Manasi.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes, I'm here.
Happy
birthday to
you.
Happy
birthday, sir.
Happy
Birthday to you, sir.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. With love and devotion. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, excited.
Oh, sir, now you can show your gift. Over to you, Kone.
And thank you so much, Betty. Thank you all for wishing our Sukdipak Malwai sir the happy birthday. And we will come back to some of them who have not shared the videos so that you get the chance to express your love and affection. But let me thank Mr. Ramazan once again. On behalf of all of us, he has contributed a very small gift to Sukdipak sir so that he keeps all of us remember every moment and keeps us giving all the blessings. So over to you, sir.
Here it is.
And let me request Ramaji to kindly explain.
It's a Alexa with digital display.
A wonderful gift. Thank you so much. Now I can become more lazy than I am and enjoy, Quite interesting, I keep saying that the universe always listens to your wishes,
Yes.
One of my wishes was to buy it, and I didn't have to buy it. Thank you very much, all of you, for this wonderful gift on this wonderful day. Thank you very much.
And thank you so much, sir, for accepting this on behalf of all of us. May God bless you and may God give you such happiness, more happiness, and all of life comes to you and all of us with ease, joy, and glory. Thank you so much. Now, I was holding Mr. Suresh Kumar, and he is among us in this room, is the most closest and the oldest friend of Sukdipak Malwai, sir. We couldn't get his video, but
the oldest one is quietly there. He is my very dear friend and cousin, Henry. He knows me longer than all of you do.
Okay.
So I just thought I'll set the record straight. So go ahead, Suresh.
Suresh, if you allow me, can I invite Henry Ellis first and then you go ahead? May I request on behalf of all of us, Henry, to please share your expression, your love, affection for our Sukdipak Malwai. Henry, go ahead. Over to you.
You'll have to unmute yourself, Henry.
Yeah. So good morning, Bhaiya, and a very, very happy birthday. I don't think any words can compare to whatever you've done for me in your life. And I think it's been like a fantastic 32 years or maybe plus, and can never forget you. You'll always be there. And thank you so much for everything this whole life.
Thank you, Henry.
That I've been living 32 years.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. God bless you.
Thank you, Esther. Thank you. And Henry, just be you. That is the biggest gift you are to the mankind. You know that? one has no choice but to celebrate your being in my life. Thank you so much, Henry. Love you, man.
Yeah, me too.
Love you too, Bhaiya. Take care, please.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you, Henry, and thank you, Mrs. Henry, for your gracious presence and wonderful words. Now let's request Mr. Where is he?
I'm here.
Yes, sir. Mr. Suresh Kumar, please go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Henry, good morning. Many happy returns of the day, sir.
Thank you.
Sukhdeepak, sir.
Morning.
I have the same age of relation with Henry and Sukhdeepak ji. I worked with Henry for a long time, and still we are in connection. Hi, Esther. Yeah, I'm so excited. Sir, have you completed 69 or you have entered into 69?
I have entered into 69, Baba.
Wow, 69 is known for many things.
Naughty fellow.
By the way, 69 sounds as 16. So let's consider he's just turned 16.
No, 69 is 69. Let enter his life goes like 69 only. And sir, you have taught us, early morning, daily visiting here and living, start living and stop blaming. That is one thing. Every day, it keeps on coming, blaming part kind of thing keeps on every day. But again, we stop it and start living. This is what I have learned. And thank you very much for, being with us. And, I wish many more people get the advantage of life from this EMC. Thank you, Henry, for coming, and Esther.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you so much. I think Vetri and Rama, this we will continue for some more time because
Suchitra wants to talk.
Yeah, please go ahead. Suchitra, over to you. Please go ahead.
Yes, no, sorry. So Amma wants to say something.
Oh, namaskaram, ma'am. So nice to see you. Thank you. Thank you for coming back after so many days.
So you have helped with Rama. So much you have given us our life to back, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. God bless you.
Of the day.
Thank you.
Give a big round of applause to Amma of Suchitra. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm sure you all, everyone present in this room, this call on today's special session of Empowering Morning Conversations, want to express your love, affection for the sir. So for the sake of convenience, raise your hand so that we can.
Sagar wants to speak.
Sagar, quickly go ahead. You all can raise hands and so that we can take you on camera.
Sir, first of all, happy birthday, sir, and may God bless you. You are a wonderful, magnificent, and extraordinary human being we can see, and to make me realize also that I am also wonderful, magnificent, and extraordinary human being. I'm really thankful to you, sir, showing me the limitless possibility in my life, and I'm really doing good, not blaming the situation around me, but taking responsibility. So I'm really glad to have you in my life. Thank you so, sir. I love you, sir. Thank you so much. May God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sagar. Thank you so much. And hope Niti ma'am is fine today. And as you all know, friends, Niti ma'am is a core member of our forum. She is a passionate, very committed participant. She was not keeping well. She was supposed to take today's session in a very special manner, but she is now here especially to wish Sukhdeepak Malviya sir happy birthday. Over to you, Niti ji.
Thank you. Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you.
I am not going to thank you for anything because I think I have full right of having you in my life.
Oh, yes,
you are an elder brother to me and you'll always be. every time you will always remain an elder brother to me. And I wish you a wonderful, wonderful life.
Yeah, and you get well soon.
Thank you. Thank
You don't have permission to be sick.
Another 1 or 2 days, I'll be fine.
Great, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Now may I request Samina ma'am to please go ahead.
And Kunalji, sorry to interrupt. Before Samina ji, I just take a minute. All this New Year thing started with the starting point is Niti ji, with her intention and the energy. That is the starting point. We have to give whole credit to Niti ji. Niti ji, it's all goes to you. Thank you very much for being there and doing that.
Thank you so much. Go ahead, Samina ji.
Yeah. Hello. So the best part is, we all know that you are a blessing, as I've written, but the most intriguing part is that I entered this forum, unknowingly and incidentally. And I'm so happy for that, because every time I come here, I don't want to go anywhere and I want to be back here. It's like, not being here is like your absence hurts me to the extent that why did I not join? Why did I not join? And that is it. You are an epitome, you're bliss, you're life, you're light, and you're everything for me. And I hope that we continue this relationship and giving you the best and best of wishes for your birthday, not only today, for the coming years. And we want you to be with us now and always. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Shiv Prasad Reddy Garu.
Sir, good morning and happy birthday to you. I always tell all people, all my family, that you are my guru. So when I accepted as guru, I always feel very happy that I am meeting you every day, even though virtually. Thank you, sir, and happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Major Narayanan, sir.
So good morning, sir.
Morning.
Very, very happy birthday to you, sir. God bless you with long life, lasting happiness and great health. And you've been continuing to enlighten our days, enlighten our mornings, I should say. And in the process, brighten the day and also lighten our mental load. You taught us the joy of acceptance, taking responsibility, how to choose, or how the difference between choice and decisions, and how to lead a life full of ease, joy, and glory. I'm truly fortunate to be associated with you. And it is me who brought Samina and a few others also. And I take extra pride that I've been able to lend my small support to the community by referring so many people. Thank you and God bless. Godspeed to you, sir.
Thank you, Major Ji. Shumona ma'am has sent a wonderful heart to you, sir. So may I request Shumona ma'am to please also come on camera and share your heart with Sukhdeepak sir. Over to you, ma'am. You can unmute yourself.
Happy birthday to you, sir.
Thank you.
मैं सर के लिए कुछ अपने फीलिंग्स बताना चाहूंगी कि he is a true guru, true master. मैंने इसमें थोड़ा कैमरा शायद तो एक जो मास्टर में जो क्वालिटी होती है ना, जो कभी अपने शिष्य का हाथ नहीं छोड़ते, तो वो क्वालिटी सर में है. मैंने truly a loving person और एक humble, true humble इंसान, एक प्रेम की मूर्ति जिसको कहेंगे ना, इसकी शक्ल ही एक प्रेम की मूर्ति हो. और मैं भी उनके लिए मैं भी एक शायरी बोलूंगी स्पेशली.
इरशाद.
अच्छा, मुझे गाना वाना आता नहीं है, तो मैं गाना नहीं गा सकती, मैं सिर्फ बोल के सुनाऊंगी. तुम सा कोई प्यारा कोई मासूम नहीं है, तुम जान हो मेरी तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है. 100 चांद खिला तब ये खिला चांद सा चेहरा, 100 फूल खिले तब ये खिला फूल सा चेहरा. मिल जाए अगर खुदा तो मैं ले लूं भलाएं। Thank you.
क्या
Thank you.
बात है, क्या बात है. Give a big round of applause to Suman.
मोना जी, finally आप बोली तो क्या बोली. Wonderful.
Sir, truly, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप 100 years नहीं 200 years जियो और ऐसे ही हमारे सामने बैठे रहो और ऐसे ही हम आपको देख.
बाबा 200 years में अकेला पड़ जाऊंगा, क्या करूंगा अकेला जी.
नहीं, उसका आप फिक्र मत करो, वो हम है ना आपके साथ, हम हैं.
We all will be there.
Thank you so much.
And the next is
Kunanji, Janaki has written amazing poem in Tamil.
Okay.
Let's invite her to recite that
And translate it as well.
and translate possibly, yeah.
Yes, definitely. Please, Janaki, big round of applause to you. Please come on camera, share your thoughts.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Happy birthday to the birthday boy of the day. Okay, so here it goes. உங்கள் நேசக்கடலில் விளைந்த நல்முத்துக்கள் நாங்கள் முத்துக்கள் எங்கள் முத்துக்கள் உள்ளத்தில் நல்வித்துக்கள் விதைத்தீர் நீவீர் நில்லாது பொழியும் அன்பிலாகட்டும் சொல்லாது நிலைத்த பண்பிலாகட்டும் நிரந்தரமானவர் நீர் அகரம் சொல்லி தந்த போதும் வாழ்வின் அகரம் சொல்லி தந்த போதும் சிகரம் ஏறி நின்ற போதும் மறவாதவர் நீர் கண்டதும் கேட்டதும் குறைவில்லாது கற்றுத்தந்தீர் வாழும் முறைகள் நிறைவாகவே கற்றுத்தந்தீர் இன்னமும் உங்களிடம் கற்க உண்டு ஏராளம் கற்கையில் நீங்கள் தரும் விவரம் தாராளம். Wish you many more happy returns of the day, sir. And we want to have this EMC in year 69, and it should be it should be 96 plus years still. So
Wow.
wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Thank you. But what about the translation?
And we should be part of it. Yes, sir.
What about the translation of the poem?
Yeah, I'll do that. Somebody could help me, and I don't know how.
Yeah, I can.
விளைந்த முத்துக்கள் நாங்கள். It is actually நாங்கள் instead of
In your ocean of love, we are the pearls.
Yeah, we are the pearls soaked in your love.
In the ocean of your love, we are the pearls.
Okay.
We are the seeds. We are the seeds.
முத்துக்கள் உள்ளத்தில் நல் வித்துக்கள். In the pearl, you have planted the seeds.
We are the seeds of the pearl.
We are the seeds of the pearl. நல்லது பொழியும் அன்பில்
இல்லாது பொழியும்.
Oh, sorry.
May go on unlimitedly, infinitely, without any.
Your infinite love.
She has written really beautiful in Tamil, so it's so difficult to translate.
சொல்லாது நிலைத்த பின்பலம், showing our strength.
So you are showering us with love, and not only in the love, but in the nature of yours also. You are so consistent and constant in us. Agaram solli tanda podum, வாழ்வின் அகரம் சொல்லி தந்த போதும். To know about the life, you are the one who made us to learn what is A. So A is the first letter of Tamil. So you actually taught us what is the first thing that we need to do in life. The first life lesson we learned it only from you. You are the guru for it. When all the members in the EMC are in the greater heights, and even then we don't forget you even when we are in the greatest heights. So whatever we heard, we watched, and everything we see through your eyes, and we stop judging things and we started leading our life and with the ease and joy and glory, and everything is taught by you. And we need to learn more and more and more. And in that, you give all the nuances and techniques which made us to become even more successful human being. And once again, happy birthday, sir.
Wow, very powerful. Please give a big, big round of applause to Yuvenya. Great. Now we have a couple of more minutes, and for that, may I request our regular attendees, participant, Mr. Gautam Bhadra, Mr. Vilas, Imtiaz Saab, if you would like to come on camera and share your feelings, emotions, gratitude on a special day, today's birthday of Sukhdeepak Malwai. If you can listening this conversation, Vilas ji, Imtiaz, Gautam ji.
Yes, this is a very good opportunity to convey my sincere regards and gratitude to our guru and our mentor to guide us how to live nice life, to enjoy the ease, joy, and glory. We pray to the God that it will come to us, His joy, glory, but He teaches us how to be remain in His joy and glory. I'm really thankful, sir, and I wish you all best. You live with good health and prosperity. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Deepak ji.
Thank you so much. May I request Vilas ji, if you are there, can you come on camera?
Good morning to all. This is really a wonderful day to share the experience with Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai, sir. Being in this pandemic, we got the diamond over the period of time, and with his own experience and with simplified approach and care and love, we are really blessed. And whatever we are, why we are connected, because there is something in you which is giving lots of love, bliss, and guidance in our life. So we are always with you, and we are really blessed being in our life. And God bless you with lots of health, wealth, and happiness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vilas ji. May I request Imtiaz Sahab?
Yeah, good morning, everyone, and happy birthday to Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai. Thank you, sir. Wish you very, very happy birthday. May you live long with good health, prosperity, and you share your knowledge, wisdom to us every day. Thank you so much, sir. Wish you very happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if anyone else would like to express your love, affection for Sukhdeepak Malwai, our mentor, our coach, our friend, on his special day, in today's special session of Empowering Morning Conversation, you can raise your hand, you can come on camera, unmute yourself, and express your great wishes to Sukhdeepak Malwai, sir. If not, we'll move forward, and we have 5 more minutes, sir. So we have taken most of the time today. And
Kunalji, quickly, before handing over the star, I would like to acknowledge the whole program is been excellently organized and presented by Kunalji, and none less than any of the international forum presenters. Amazing, Kunalji. You deserve to do this, and we all deserve to have you. Thank you very much for doing this. Now, let us hear it from the birthday boy. Yes.
Before that, 1 more minute, sir. 1 more minute I will take. I wanted to say a couple of more lines, but before that, I was just reflecting upon my association with you. And we all know that the humanity, the world went through the pandemic. And frankly speaking, what I feel is that with you, your association with Empowering Morning Conversation and other sessions of the platform, I really got antibodies. People say that vaccine, this and that, but all such are chemicals. but the real antibodies, what you are giving to humanity, to all of us, to whomsoever whosoever are in contact with you, in my opinion, is the real antibody. This is what we need, because you are touching the core, you are touching the heart, you are touching that chemical, that element of the body, which are really required to be in the real form, the antibody, to fight all the negativities, all such viruses, everything. And if we be in that state, nothing can harm us. Nothing can harm us. No virus, nothing. So may God bless you, sir, for all the contribution. You don't know what you have done to all of us present in this room, and many could not come, but God keep you safe for longer time, and we be associated with you as long as we can. And before I close and hand over to you, that तुम्हारी सालगिरह पे ये दुआ है हमारी, तुम्हारी सालगिरह पे ये दुआ है हमारी कि ऐसा रोज मुबारक दिन बार बार आए, कि ऐसा रोज मुबारक दिन बार बार आए, और आपकी हंसती हुई जिंदगी की राहों में, आपकी हंसती हुई जिंदगी की राहों में हजारों फूल लुटाती हुई बहार आए, हजारों फूल लुटाती हुई बहार आए. So thank you so much, sir. God bless you. And over to you. Couple of more minutes are left with you. Thank you so much, sir.
You know, it takes a lot to render me speechless. Really, I am so grateful for you being there as a part of my life. I'm so grateful that you've given me the gift of your companionship. You know, you've given me the gift of your love, your gift of your willingness to put up with me every day and listen to my funny questions. So I return all your love to you with the addition of my blessings multiplied 1,000,000 times. And may you always be happy, and may you always be well. And that's the purpose of my being there, you know, that you all can be happy and you can be well and you can fulfill all your dreams and desires. And like every experience, today's experience is not, I mean, even though it's directed at me, but you are all a part of it, you know. And like I always say, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves. So thanks to you today, I'm a better version of myself. I'm feeling validated. I'm feeling that all my efforts are worthwhile. I am feeling that people care for what I'm doing, and that encourages me more, right? And on this day, I mean, the biggest gift that you are is that you are there. And even a bigger gift will be when you give this away to more people. You understand? So all those people who are here on this call, all those people who are watching this call on all the live streaming platforms, I thank you. And I wish that you take away from this forum every morning what it is intended to give you. And it's intended to give you a life of love, a life of happiness, a life of joy, and a life of ease, and a life of glory, that your life can truly be the wonderful adventure that is meant to be. So thank you very much. God bless you. And I will look forward to seeing you again tomorrow morning on another session of Empowering Morning Conversations. God bless you. Thank you so much. Kunail and Vetri, will you please send me the copies of all those compilations that you prepared and all the recordings? I'd love to keep them as a memento with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And before we wrap up, may I request Ramazan, sir, to kindly have the parting words, then we'll close the session. Ramaji.
Yeah, wish you happy birthday again, sir. And it is our blessing. We are all be able to associated with you. And it is big thanks to each and every one of us here to come and celebrate this beautiful birthday. And thanks to Betty, Kunai, Niti, and every one of you who contributed here, Manasi, and every one of you. So it has been a great day and great celebration, great contribution to Mr. Sukdeep Malwai. And let us all pray and wish that we are all together and learn and contribute to the world. Thank you all very much. Let's meet again tomorrow morning. Thank you very much, Kunanji.
Give
Thank
a
you,
big
sir.
round of applause to
Ramaji, Kunenji, on a lighter note, we celebrated party. Everyone can go and have a dinner or a breakfast or lunch, big lunch, and send bill to Sukhdeep Malwai.
Send bill to you.
And Sukhdeepak sir, today is Lodi and Makar Sankranti, so whole world is celebrating your birthday with you.
So thank you very much for the exceptional. Believe me, this is the best birthday of my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You sir, stay safe, stay blessed all. Rama, would you like to stay?
So like how Lori, they burn out whatever is not required or which is not helpful to them, and they welcome the new harvesting. Likewise, your teachings is helping us to burn away. See, you are born on Lori, but every day you are giving us a glory. So where we are every day we are burning whatever is unnecessary, and we are harvesting life. So thank you so much, sir.
You must become a poet, I say. The Chinna
Yes,
song.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Meeting to you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Bye,
See you.
sir.
Bye.
All the best, sir. Bye, sir.
Stay safe, stay blessed all.